Okay, hi YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video I'm going to talk about traffic and what kind of traffic I use. And this traffic I basically don't pay for. What I'm doing is I'm getting paid traffic for free simply because I'm just using my marketing systems that are free and then promoting everything in there and using commissions just to simply pay for my paid traffic. So I'm here logged into WarriorPlus. This is a platform where you can, buy all kinds of stuff from vendors. It's similar to ClickBank, where you can become an affiliate. You can make money on this platform, and you can, in turn, sort of use your commissions to pay for stuff like, in my case, I pay for traffic, and I've built up a good relationship with some of the vendors. So I've got some, deals from that I like within here, and I'm promoting that on my MegaMarketingPro system. So this is MegaMarketingPro. This is a free marketing system that I created, and the members are using this. We've got thousands of members using this platform to promote their primary businesses of their choice. It's basically a funnel system. You come in here, you put your preferred businesses in here, you click save, you fill in the blanks, you brand it with some of the recommended marketing platforms that we use, and you go in and you get you grab your traffic. We got a lot of traffic recommendations in here, and that's really what I'm talking about in this video. You can get involved in looking at the, starting up on these traffic platforms that they basically give you traffic. Some of them are paid, and that's really what I'm talking about in this video. So for example, take okay, so let's take system exclusive traffic. Okay, so you click here, you check it out. You consider purchasing some traffic packages on this platform. This is WarriorPlus. This is a company that I've built up a relationship with. It's a good vendor. It has a good solo ad. It's good. If you look over here on my LeadsLeap account here, one of my lists here, I'm promoting here on Cash Machine List, and as you can see, all these opt-ins that I'm getting on my list all came from system exclusive traffic, and so there's quite a you can get a decent if you've got a decent funnel set up, and I've given away a lot of funnels as part of the MegaMarketingPro system. So you can set yourself up with a marketing funnel using this system. If you go to step 3 and set yourself up with a good marketing funnel from within there, but set up everything here as well, because they come through this system and then they can join some of these programs here, system exclusive traffic is basically this one, okay, and you can purchase packages from here. For example, you can have a 500 click or 1,000 clicks or whatever. Now, for me personally, I've never paid for this paid traffic. That we've got another one here, which is scalable solo ads, that I also add into MegaMarketingPro. So you get some good packages here. And again, I know the gentleman here who sells the packages. This guy here, he's great, and he's on Facebook, and you can communicate with him. His one is down here, scalable solo ads. So I got good. I get good results from there. But with WarriorPlus, I've made a decent amount of money with WarriorPlus simply by selling their traffic packages, on WarriorPlus, and I earn commissions. So as you can see, 22 hours ago I got commission there. 6 days ago commissions. 9 days ago commissions. So I'm always just getting commissions, and I'm just using the money. I've never needed to withdraw. I don't use this platform to as a money maker. Well, it is a money maker because I'm earning money in order to pay for traffic, but I'm using it all internal. I'm sort of I'm promoting this on MegaMarketingPro, and then I use the commissions that I earn from here just to put back in, and I pay for traffic to promote my my businesses. Okay, so let's have a look here. Currently I've got 251 in my wallet, so I can use that and pay for traffic. For example, if you look here, if you look at the summary, my earnings, almost $3,000 I've earned with WarriorPlus, and I don't withdraw. You know, I don't need to withdraw. That was always the game plan with this platform. It's just to earn the money in order to put it back in, because this is not my primary business. There's nothing in here is my primary business. They're traffic. You know, well, there's a lot of other stuff as well, the software, but I use it to purchase traffic. And I've always got traffic. In other words, I've always got eyeballs looking at my primary businesses. So that's why I've purchased so much with this platform, because I've got a budget that I work with, and I put my commissions to work for me that I earn from this platform. So and it's all thanks to MegaMarketingPro. So MegaMarketingPro being a free system, I put my primary businesses in there in step 1. I set up the traffic steps in step 2. I put my usernames, everything in here in step 2, and I click save so that everything's branded. So when people come through this and I promote this, I'm always getting commissions coming in, because people want to use those traffic packages. Step 3 is the automation, where you set up the funnel. Step 4 is another income stream. So it's just a money-making system. It's a free marketing system that you use. And by promoting this one system, using the commissions that I earn, as I'm talking about, from platforms such as WarriorPlus and commissions from other platforms, I'm able to put money back in and pay for traffic. So that's why, setting up these traffic platforms, because they all make you money. I'm only talking about one part of this, which is WarriorPlus. They're not all WarriorPlus. You've got for example, Cash Juice, I make money from. I make money from all of these. Team Build Club. I've made a lot of money. I've made over $1,000 in Team Build Club and from commissions, and I put the money back in to pay for advertising. My lead gen secret, again, I've made about $700 plus, almost $1,000 in lead gen secrets. This one, they're all of them. I make money, and I use the commissions from the traffic platforms, because they're tools at the end of the day, to put back in. And same with LeadsLeap. With LeadsLeap, which is all part of the system. I've earned over $5,500 with LeadsLeap, and I make a good income every single month. And I put the money back into traffic. So my primary businesses are the things that pay me cash flow, okay, such as Trillant and MDC, and I get good money from commissions from those. So I'm going to just show you. Let's look at just one of these. Okay, so we got system exclusive traffic. Okay, this is this platform here. I'm going to purchase a traffic pack using the WarriorPlus. So this is a vendor on WarriorPlus. Okay, I'm already logged in. I'm going to purchase 1,000 clicks, and I'm going to just buy here. I'm going to use the unique clicks price here. I'm not going to go with the tier 1, because I don't quite have that amount of money in my already in my back office of WarriorPlus. I've got $251, and I'm just going to purchase this one. Okay, so just click the button here. It says I got $251 available. See right down there. So I'm going to use that, but I'm going to obviously put my name in here first. I have read terms and conditions, and I'm going to just pay for that. Okay, it's asking me to confirm yes, and I've just purchased. So I'm going to access the purchase. So wholesale premium traffic package submission form. So now I'm going to just put my name in here. Okay, full name, and then I'm going to put my email address. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through this. I'm going to get the email. It's going to come through. The traffic package I purchased was 1,000 click package, and I'm going to put the URL that I'm going to promote. So I've already set up funnels in my LeadsLeap account. I'm going to promote something that I want to promote, obviously, and so obviously that's not applicable or whatever. So if needed, but that they can do the email swipes for you. So so I'm just gonna get that done. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video right now. Okay, so I filled in the form the way I want it, and I put this URL here with a tracking at the end of the URL, just so I know where the traffic is coming from and how well it's performing. This is the page. It's promoting MegaMarketingPro. It has an exit pop-up as well here. So in the back office of MegaMarketingPro, you just simply go to step 3. You should have set these up already before promoting, obviously, because you would be wasting your time going out there and promoting it if you haven't set up these 2 steps. So you want to put your primary businesses in step 1. You want to set up and brand the traffic steps in step 2. Do this and also brand step 4, and then but you need to set up the share codes within your LeadsLeap account. Got the share codes here. So watch this video here to know how to get set up. I'm using this page here. You can preview the page. I stick in a kind of a tracking code at the end that shows me within my LeadsLeap back office how well the traffic is performing. And then I just simply submit that. Okay. So, thanks for submitting. Anyway, I know the guy on Facebook, and we'll be having a conversation, and he's very, very helpful indeed. So that's what I do, and I do. Sometimes I do it with this particular package. Sometimes I do it with this gentleman here, and I set up a campaign with various different vendors. And I generally, a lot of times I just promote MegaMarketingPro because all my primary businesses are in this system anyway. And it just sort of completely rotates. I get people in here, I promote it, I get traffic, I earn commissions, I put the commissions back into the system. So how do I actually finally make profits? Well, I make profits by getting people into this system, and they check out my my primary businesses, and my primary businesses are always being fed with eyeballs, and I'm always nurturing my list, building up a know, like, and trust. And they get to learn more about my primary businesses, because this is all designed to get people locked in on a free system like MegaMarketingPro, using the system to promote their primary businesses. So they keep coming back over and over again. They get to know you. They need your help. They need your support and guidance, and you then build up your know, like, and trust. And it just works like that. It's beautiful. So keep sending traffic, keep getting eyeballs, quality eyeballs onto your landing pages and capture pages, and it's going to work. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. So the links will be below. I'll put the links to the premium traffic, where you can get the traffic, and also obviously LeadsLeap, and and obviously the MegaMarketingPro system. So you'll get access to everything. So give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I'm always uploading good content about how to promote your online business and work from the comfort of your own home. My name is Keyte. Thanks, guys, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.